Do you ever feel that pull inside your chest? Moving through space like you have always wanted. Time's going fast but we're not worried. What you wanna do, what we wanna do, we can do. Through one click into everything you envision. Building up a new world where we become what we imagine. In this realm you shape your destiny. We create what we see. No turning back, we're switching lanes.
The future's calling out our names.
It's time to level up your game. In a space where we choose our fate. Welcome to the multiverse, a realm you've always known. Through the light into dimensions built for me and you. This is our time to begin. This is our moment to look in. We believe it just in between. We are the future, you and I. Future multiverse, any space and time. Future multiverse, where it's you and I.
This is just a warm-up phase, ready for what's coming next. We've been making waves, time to see what we do best. Stepping through the portal line. Tell me, where else can you be? Builders of tomorrow. Say it, where else can you change the world so?
When we hit the zone, whether it's business or until we make it our own. Gotta be bold to be who you're born to be. And in this realm, you shape your destiny. We create what we see. No turning back, we're switching lanes.
The future's calling out our names.
It's time to live.